friends, today I am making this video to make you understand about the storage class in C language. So today we will learn about the auto storage class, basics of storage class and auto storage class. With example, let's first understand what is storage class. So as you know, till now you are declaring the variable like, let's say, integer I is equal to 10. What does it mean? So here it means we are declaring variable I of type integer type. It reserves 4 byte of memory and store in that memory 10 and store in liter inches. We can let it here we consider liter inches. Okay. Then what about storage class? What is the use of storage class? What does it represent? The storage class represent extra information, more information about variable as well as function, but we will consider here variable first only. Okay, let's go to second slide. As just now I told you, a very storage class will give you extra information, more information. What extra information it will give? So it will give default value of the variable. Where does it store? Either is heap memory, either is stack memory, either is data section, either is code section. So it represents what is the scope of variable. Scope is nothing but a visibility of the variable and lifetime of variable. Okay, so what does mean default value? When you declare as a variable with some storage class, what will be the default value of that variable? So that can be specified by the storage class. Where does it store? It is called memory storage. Scope of the variable and lifetime. When lifetime is when variable create and when it destroy. Either it is stack memory, either it is a heap memory, or not in heap, data section, yeah, code section. Okay, that we will understand one by one. Okay, so we understand how many types of storage class are there. So there are 4 types of storage class for C compiler. Those are auto, static, extern, and register. You might have used auto storage class till now, but you might be not knowing. You are declaring local variable, right? So you are declaring local variable, but you are not using any auto get before that. So that by default local variable is auto variable, auto storage class. We will understand one by one. Okay. So what is the standard declaration of variable? So till now you are declaring like a data type and variable name and some initialization. Okay. And before that you need to specify storage class if required. Like this one you can see auto integer variable 1, second one extern integer variable 2, third one register integer variable 3, fourth one static integer variable 4. Like that you can declare. Okay, we can let me make like this. Okay, it will make very clear. Okay, now we understand about the storage class. Till now we will learn about what does mean by the storage class, what is storage class, how many types are there, what extra information it gives. So that already we discussed. Now we understand about the auto storage class. Very first of the auto storage class. Okay, so till now whatever we declare local variable, I am not talking about global variable, I am talking about the local variable. The local variable declaration without storage class is treating like a auto storage class. If you are declaring any local variable, nothing but the it consider it a auto storage class. Okay. See here in example, integer I is equal to integer I. So here you are not specifying by any keyword before this. So it will and this is local. So it will consider auto storage type here. Okay. So remember like this, any local variable with auto storage class, without auto storage, it will consider storage class as a auto storage class. Okay, clear? Second, what will be the default value of the auto storage class? The default value of the auto storage class variable is garbage value. Anything, no specific value, any garbage value, any value. We can consider 0, we can consider non-zero, anything. Okay, now okay. Third one, what is the life of the memory? Life of the auto storage. Let's understand here. What is the life of the auto storage class? To life, one minute. Block of declaration. What is the life? When it create. Life nothing but when it create, when it destroy. So let's understand here somewhere I mentioned life of about the auto storage. These are the example. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. See life. What is the life? Life of the auto storage they start when function execution start. Means scope of the execution start and destroy when it complete. Okay. Here I mentioned like function. Life of the auto storage class start when function execution start and destroy when it function execution destroy. So why I am mentioning here function? Because in local variable you declare inside the function only. So here you consider like here I declare I, here I declare I. Okay, so when execution of main start, that time memory of the I is create. When execution of main is complete, I will be destroyed. This is lifetime. Second, here I am calling one ABC function, right? So here inside the ABC I am declaring K and L. Okay, so life of the execution K start when ABC execution start and complete when ABC execution complete. Same way. Here I am def. One more function I am declaring. One more function definition def. Here I declare integer m. So when execution of m def start, m will be created and destroyed when m will be destroyed. Like that life of the variable. Now we discuss scope of the variable. We'll take example as well in this video. Set. Okay, let me check. Okay. See some key point we will first understand. Auto variable can be declared before we cannot be declared before main or outside of any function. Otherwise it will compiler will generate error. Okay, auto variable declares a local, not as a global. Okay, that we have checked. Okay, where does auto variable store? It will store in stack memory. Simple stack memory. Okay, it will store in stack memory. Either particular function store memory. Whenever we call some function, where stack block will be created, in that stack block it will be created. Okay, and third one, fourth one, scope is within a function and within a block. Suppose here I am declaring I variable, so what is the scope? The inside main. Okay, suppose in another function, like here I am declaring one printf function I have defined. Here I am declaring integer I, scope of variable within this function. Outside we cannot see. Here you mention these two variable are different. We'll see by example that these two variable are different. Okay, that will check with example. Okay, so till now what we understand, so there are four type of storage class we understand: auto, extern, static, register. In if you go in deep inside the auto variable, auto storage class, so there are four key point we need to keep. What is the default value of the auto storage is garbage value. Where does it store? It will store in stack memory. When it create, when function execution start, and when it destroyed, when function execution complete. And what is the scope of variable? Scope of variable within a block, a function we can say. And one more key point we can take here is you cannot declare outside of any function. You have to declare auto storage class variable in function itself. Okay, so this all are theory of the auto storage class. Now we will learn this concept by example and practical way. In Linux we will use GCC compiler, and we use C language, and by small example we learn this concept.